Take some examples. Let us convert speed of 36 km per hour into meter per second. 36 km per hour is equal to 36 into, we have to multiply it by 5 by 18 is equal to 10 meter per second. Now suppose we have to convert 20 meter per second into kilometer per hour, then we will multiply 20 into reciprocal of 5 by 18, that is 18 by 5 is equal to 72 kilometer per hour. This we should remember. Now next important is instantaneous velocity. This is the definition you must learn. When an object is moving with variable velocity, the velocity of the object at any instant is called the instantaneous velocity. Now we have seen two examples. Now here the velocity is variable. It is 50 km per hour from A to B. Next from B to C it is 100 km per hour. From C to D it is 30 km. At this instant, that is instantaneous velocity we are discussing. At this instant it is, the velocity is 50 km per hour. At this instant, let us suppose this is X, this is Y, this point is Y, this point is Z. Now here at point X, at any instant the speed is 50 km per hour. Here at point Y it is 100 km per hour. At Z it comes out to be 30 km per hour. And average velocity is total distance covered by the body divided by total time taken. We have already discussed. Now we will solve some examples. This is your NCERT book. Example 8.1. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? We will see that the object has moved 16 meter in 4 seconds and next 16 meter in 2 seconds. So the average velocity is total distance traveled divided by total time. So total distance traveled will be 16 meter plus 16 meter, that is 32 meter, and total time will be 4 second plus 2 second, that is 6 seconds. So here it has been written total distance is 32 meter, total time taken is 6 seconds. So average speed comes out to be 32 divided by 6 is equal to 5.33 meter per second. Next example 8.2 and 8.3 you must solve yourself, and if there is any problem you can just contact me. Next numerical is a car travels 30 km at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and the next 30 km at a uniform speed of 20 km per hour. Find its average speed. We know average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by time taken. So 30 km, first it covers 30 km at a speed of 40 km per hour, next 30 km in 20 km per hour at 20 km per hour. Now we know speed is equal to distance upon time is equal to distance s upon t1. Let us take that the time taken in first journey will be from A to B, it is t1, and from B to C it is, the time taken be t2, because total distance we know 30 plus 30 is 60 km, but time we are not knowing the total time taken by the journey, so we have to calculate the total time. Now distance is equal to 30 km. Let time taken be t1 is equal to, see, distance upon speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed is equal to 30 by 40 is equal to 3 by 4 hour. So next car travels 30 km at 20 km per hour. Therefore T2 is equal to 30 divided by 20 is equal to 3 by 2 hour. So total time taken will be T is equal to T1 plus T2 is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2, which comes out to be 9 by 4 hour. So total distance traveled we have already seen is equal to 60 km and time is 9 by 4 hour. So average average speed is equal to 60 divided by 9 by 4. So it comes out to be 26.6 km per hour. Thank you.